Wait till you see how awesome this is. Hi, thank you for viewing. Today I wanted to share with you some of the options that I've learned about over my 25 years of rebuilding automatic transmissions. This is on the 4T60Es, the 700R4s, and it's the seal installers. Everything from homemade seal installers to my trusty old seal installer that I've used for over 25 years, and the new seal installer that I just got. But first I want to introduce you to my old seal installer so we can both see how it compares. Now with the older seal installer, one of the first things you'll notice is the package is a lot longer, takes up a lot more space than the new one, but it doesn't take up any more space than a homemade one made from the funnels and stuff. And you may have seen those videos where people show you their homemade seal installers. Well, the one I've been using for years and years, you can see a lot of wear on it, has this little screw tip here, and you unscrew that to get it down to exactly where the seal is, and then you can take the seal and shove it down here. Well, I always lube it with the trans gel so that the tool will last longer and I'm less likely to put any scratches or damage on the seal. It just seems like everything's better with lube. So I slide it down, but I start on the bottom one. After I take all of them off, I start on the bottom one, unscrew this and unscrew it and unscrew it and unscrew it forever until it lines up with the one at the bottom. And once I get the bottom one on there, I take this comes with it, the resizer, and it's got a bit of a chamfer right here, and I slide that down over the first one, resize it, and then take it off and do the second one and the third one and the fourth one. Okay, as far as making a homemade one, what most people do is try to get as close to this size as possible right there on an old funnel. And these funnels are like $1 to $5 a piece, brand new, so you can ruin one, but try to get to about that size right there. So let me just tell you real quick what exactly that size is. Right there, there's your size. I'm not recommending that you make a homemade one, because by the time you made one, you could have been done putting your seals on. And if you're not going to build more than one transmission, you probably shouldn't be building transmissions. And if you're going to build more than one transmission, you're not going to want to fool around with the homemade seal installer over and over and over again relentlessly. Now, with the homemade one, you're not going to be able to get right down to there like this does, all the way down here like that. Usually a lot of guys take a piece of plastic and roll it up and take their funnel and slide the thing down onto the piece of plastic and then ride it down. So let's see how this new one compares. First off, there's no plastic. It's nice machined aluminum. This is just about all plastic. And there's no moving parts. And it takes up a lot less space. This works very similar to this. Put it right here. Put your seal over it. You get your seal down to this. But here's the kicker. This is different. Get your seal down to this, and then this goes on down, and you can slide it on down just like you would this. You can go all the way down to the first one, then slide it off right into the first groove, then bring it up here, put your second seal on, or, and I like this is really good, you can take all 4 of the seals and put them on here, and then slide this down and put one seal on, then put the second seal on, then pull it up, then put the third seal on, then pull it up a little bit, put the 4th seal on, then take your tool, throw it back in the box, take your resizer, slide it down over them. And I'll usually like to leave that on there for a little while I do something else, stack another drum, something like that. Give it a little time to sit on there and give those seals a chance to relax. And then take that off, throw it in the box, and done. And now I don't have to do any more of this forever and ever and ever and ever. like this video, we got a whole lot more. We got tool reviews, we've got repair videos, we've got show car videos, hot rods, mod rods, you name it. If it's got wheels on it and an engine, it's probably on this channel. So subscribe, like, and binge watch Saneauto. Do not attempt anything you see or hear in this video. Serious injury or death may occur. Saneauto and or Victor Sane cannot guarantee against improper use or unauthorized modifications of this information. Saneauto and or Victor Sane assumes no liability for property damage or injury incurred as a result of any of the information contained in this video. Use this information at your own risk. Saneauto recommends safe practices when working on vehicles and or with tools seen or implied in this video. No information contained in this video shall create any expressed or implied warranty or guarantee of any particular result. Any injury, damage, or loss that may result from improper use of these tools, equipment, or from the information contained in this video is the sole responsibility of the user and not Saneauto nor Victor Sane. In layman's terms, please don't do anything you see me do in my videos. You could end up burnt, bruised, and bleeding just like me. This site contains affiliate links for which I may be compensated.